Even if you live in an apartment, there are still many ways to practice homesteading and develop valuable skills. Here are 10 suggestions for incorporating homesteading principles into apartment living. 1. Container gardening. Grow vegetables, herbs, and even small fruit trees in containers on your balcony, patio, or windowsills. This will allow you to produce some of your own food and gain experience in gardening. 2. Indoor gardening. Utilize indoor growing techniques such as hydroponics or vertical gardening systems to grow plants in your apartment, maximizing the limited space available. 3. Food preservation. Learn to preserve food through canning, dehydrating, fermenting, or freezing. This will help you make the most of seasonal produce and reduce your reliance on store-bought, processed foods. 4. Cooking from scratch. Improve your culinary skills by preparing meals from scratch using whole, unprocessed ingredients. This will help you become more self-reliant and reduce your dependency on convenience foods. 5. DIY cleaning products. Create your own natural cleaning products using simple, non-toxic ingredients like vinegar, baking soda, and essential oils. This will help you save money and reduce your exposure to harmful chemicals. 6. Handicrafts and mending. Learn basic sewing, knitting, or crocheting skills to create handmade items and repair clothing. This can save you money and reduce waste while also providing you with a creative outlet. 7. Energy and water conservation. Adopt sustainable practices in your apartment by using energy-efficient appliances, turning off lights when not in use, and conserving water through mindful usage and low-flow fixtures. 8. Community engagement. Connect with fellow urban homesteaders, join a community garden, or participate in local food swaps and farmers markets. Building a network of like-minded individuals can provide support, resources, and inspiration. 9. Continue learning. Educate yourself on homesteading and self-sufficiency topics through books, online forums, and workshops. 10. Composting. Start a small-scale worm composting bin to process your kitchen scraps into nutrient-rich compost for your container garden. This will help you develop skills and knowledge that can be applied to your current living situation and prepare you for a more extensive homesteading experience in the future. By incorporating these practices into your apartment lifestyle, you'll be embracing the spirit of homesteading and gaining valuable experience for future endeavors.